So today we are going to be doing the project G is for grass and H is for hearts. So for the G is for grass, I took tissue paper and I cut it into little strips for the grass. Then on a piece of paper I drew the letter G in a bubble letter, and then I let the kids put glue everywhere, and then put the little tissue paper strips on. And that's the project. And there's their finished project. So then for the letter H, I just drew a straight line H, not a bubble letter. And then we took heart stickers and they placed their stickers to cover the lines so that they would make the H out of sticker hearts. And they really loved this project because they love stickers. So this was a fun one for them. So let me know what you guys think about these projects down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!